The desert sleeps under a blanket of pre-dawn darkness. The horizon, a faint promise of light. Time unfolds as the first rays kiss the dunes, painting the sand with hues of rose and gold. The vast expanse awakens, revealing the stark beauty of the arid landscape. Voiceover whispers, "In this world, you will never find complete happiness. This dunya was designed to break your heart." The voiceover continues, a somber reflection, to remind us that true peace is not here. The voice concludes as the sun climbs higher. Cosmic stars drift slowly, a backdrop to animated Arabic calligraphy. The calligraphy seamlessly transforms into the powerful English phrase, "Allah chose you." On-screen text reinforces the message, "Allah chose you." A voiceover resonates, filled with warmth. "My dear brothers and sisters, how can you ever think you are worthless? Allah chose you from billions as a sign that He wants you to return to Him." A page of the Quran turns, verses illuminated with a soft golden glow, drawing the eye to the sacred text. On-screen text emerges, a divine promise. "Indeed, we will test you." 2 to 155, 157. Words resonating with profound meaning. Voiceover echoes, "We will surely test you with fear, hunger, loss of wealth, lives, and fruits." The test looms. The verse offers solace. "Indeed, we belong to Allah, and to Him we return." A beacon of hope in times of trial. The golden light intensifies, bathing the sacred words in a warm embrace, offering good news to the patient. Molten gold slowly swirls, an abstract dance of pressure and heat, hinting at a transformation. The fluid mass begins to coalesce, taking shape as a rough, unformed jewel. Intense compression refines the gem, each facet catching the light as it nears perfection. "Trials purify us," the on-screen text declares. As the gem achieves its final brilliant form, "If Allah is with you, you have everything." The narration begins, a comforting voice. "They polish the heart like fire refines gold." The narration concludes, echoing the visual metaphor. Sunlight floods the empty mosque, illuminating dust motes, dancing in the serene air. The camera pans across the tranquil space, lingering on a solitary prayer mat. An open Quran rests on a stand, its pages bathed in golden light. On-screen text appears, "For every heart that lost someone." Voiceover, "This message is for every person abandoned." Voiceover, "Pain can be used by Shaitan to pull you away, or by Allah to pull you back." A split screen emerges, a shadowed, stormy sea on one side, an overflowing treasure chest on the other. Tests through pain, tests through blessings. The on-screen text highlights the duality of trials. Allah tests us through hardship and through blessings. A narration begins, guiding the viewer. The contrasting visuals slowly merge, symbolizing a unified path despite differing trials. Both require the same response, to return to Allah. The narration emphasizes, a blessing without gratitude can be just as dangerous as a hardship without patience. Rain streaks down the window in a dark room, blurring the outside world. A closed door stands silent, a barrier in the oppressive darkness. The door creaks open, a sliver of light offering a beacon of hope. On-screen text warns, "Do not isolate forever." Elegant script glows softly, animating calligraphic renderings. The beauty of the verses shines. On-screen text, "So glorify the praises of your Lord, and worship until certainty comes." Voiceover, Allah gave the Prophet Salam the cure for sorrow. Remember Allah, glorify Him, worship. Voiceover, this is the real medicine for the heart. Dawn breaks over an endless desert road, painting the dunes in gold and rose. The horizon glows with ethereal light. The road splits, then converges, guiding towards the radiant horizon. Words appear on screen. Two choices, deepen pain, or return to Allah. Voiceover. In every test, you have two choices. Choose to return. Choose the path that leads to Jannah. The desert road stretches on, bathed in the promise of dawn, offering a path to redemption. Soft light illuminates the delicate pages of the Quran, each verse a beacon of hope and resilience. Gentle waves caress the shore, their soothing rhythm mirroring the quiet strength found in patience. In a darkened room, a lamp flickers to life, symbolizing the light that patience plants along one's path. Patience is not passive. It is worship. A voice echoes, resonating with the visual poetry of the montage. On-screen text declares, "Patience brings mercy," a promise whispered amidst the visual symphony of hope and perseverance. Minimal icons appear on aged parchment, each paired with a poignant caption. "Could be worse. Faith remains." Another icon whispers, its message, a beacon in the dim light. "It's temporary." The final icon declares, a promise etched against the backdrop of a slow rotating globe at dawn. On-screen text lists the three blessings briefly, revealing hidden gifts within calamity. In every calamity, there are three hidden blessings. Narration speaks, guiding viewers to see with the eye of faith. The night sky unfolds, a canvas of infinite stars shimmering with ethereal light. An elegant Arabic phrase materializes, a radiant symbol of hope against the cosmic backdrop. The phrase glows, illuminating the delicate crescent moon hanging in the inky expanse. A shimmering aurora begins to dance, painting the celestial sphere with strokes of serene peace. On-screen text appears. "If Allah is with you, you have everything." Voiceover resonates. "We are blessed because we have Allah, a guiding voice in the vast night." A steaming cup of tea sits in a quiet room, its warmth a gentle invitation. A Quran rests closed, its pages holding the echoes of sacred verses, a silent testament to faith. Your calamity is not punishment. Return to your Lord, a voice whispers, offering solace and guidance. Turn to Allah. He is closer than you think. Words appear, a final message of hope and nearness. Under the relentless desert sun, heat shimmers dance above the endless sea of sand. The dunes stretch into the horizon, an ocean of gold under the clear, burning sky. Silence blankets the landscape, broken only by the whisper of the wind. The air itself seems to vibrate with the intensity of the sun's scorching rays. Sunlight floods the mosque through stained glass, painting the carpets with vibrant colors. Worshippers kneel, a sea of devotion in the tranquil light. A low, peaceful hum of prayer fills the sacred space. Intricate patterns dance in the light, a visual symphony of faith. Colors swirl and blend, an abstract canvas of ever-shifting hues with no discernible form. The chaos of color begins to coalesce, hinting at shapes struggling to emerge from the void. A structure slowly takes shape, a phantom image forming from the depths of abstraction. The transformation accelerates, the form solidifying with increasing speed and intensity. A recognizable silhouette appears, a concrete shape materializing from pure imagination. The abstract gives way to the tangible, the visual language, now clear and defined. A dimly lit room, shadows stretch and writhe against the walls, painting a canvas of unease. Darkness clings to every corner, obscuring details and whispering secrets in the silence. The oppressive atmosphere weighs heavily, a tangible presence that suffocates the senses. Flickering light sources cast eerie, dancing patterns, distorting reality and fueling paranoia. Every creak and groan of the old structure amplifies the sense of isolation and vulnerability. The room breathes with a hidden energy, a silent observer to the unfolding drama. Majestic, snow-capped peaks pierce the radiant sky, their silent grandeur dominating the horizon. A gentle breeze whispers through the pines, carrying the scent of crisp mountain air. The vast, untouched wilderness stretches out, an invitation to explore its hidden depths. Sunlight dances on the snow, creating a dazzling spectacle of light and shadow. The mountains stand as timeless sentinels, guarding secrets within their ancient embrace. Ink spills onto the canvas, a dark promise blooming on the stark white page. Each stroke is a deliberate dance, a silent language forming with elegant precision. Characters emerge, ethereal and alive, breathing stories into existence. The brush glides, a conductor's baton weaving tales with each fluid motion. A narrative is born, painted in silence, resonating with unspoken words. Sunlight bathes the quiet room, painting the scene in gentle light. Dust motes dance, suspended in the sun's warm embrace. Silence hangs heavy, a palpable stillness. The air is still, undisturbed by any movement. A peaceful solitude permeates the space. The room breathes softly in the daylight. As the sun descends, it sets the sky ablaze with a breathtaking canvas of fiery orange, soft pink, and regal purple. The rhythmic symphony of gentle waves caresses the shore, their soothing cadence filling the tranquil air. A solitary figure emerges against this vibrant backdrop, their silhouette etched sharply against the colorful sky. The lone walker traverses the sandy expanse, their form a stark yet harmonious contrast to nature's grandeur. Each step leaves an ephemeral trace, quickly erased by the relentless advance of the tide. The air is filled with the promise of twilight, a serene moment of reflection at the edge of the world. Sunlight floods the library, casting long shadows and highlighting the endless rows of books. Golden light illuminates countless dust motes, each a tiny dancer in the vast, silent space. The scent of aged paper and leather fills the air, a palpable history lingering in every corner. Silence reigns, broken only by the faint rustle of unseen pages turning in the sunlit stillness. The library stands as a testament to time, knowledge, and the enduring power of stories. A split screen bursts to life, two worlds colliding in a single frame, each pulsating with its own urgent rhythm. The stark division heightens the tension. Two narratives intertwine, creating a palpable sense of anticipation. The air crackles with unseen energy. The split screen enhances the feeling of urgency. A silent countdown begins as the two sides edge closer to an inevitable intersection. Faint lamps cast an ethereal glow across the mosque, shadows playing across the carpet's intricate patterns. The vast prayer hall stretches into the darkness, a serene silence, broken only by the scent of incense. The dim light accentuates the mosque's grandeur, hinting at untold stories within its walls. A palpable sense of peace permeates the hall, a sanctuary of quiet contemplation amidst the night. The desert awakens as the sun explodes over the horizon, its fierce light transforming the dunes into a sea of liquid gold. A lone coyote howls, its mournful cry echoing through the stark, unforgiving landscape. Heat shimmers rise from the sand, distorting the horizon in a mirage of endless desolation. Shadows retreat as the sun climbs higher, revealing the vastness and solitude of the desert. Each grain of sand glitters like a tiny gem, reflecting the harsh beauty of this desolate realm. The air hangs still and heavy, pregnant with the promise of another scorching day in the heart of the desert.